Minnows. Catching them on minnows. 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 10-pound line. Berkeley big game. Single hook. I may be going down to the single hook like this. Ooh, he's been fighting. Little pretty guy there. He's kind of pretty. Come on, dude. Stop it. I said stop it. Do you not know the meaning of the word stop? Thank you. Did I take it away from him? I don't know, it may just be real, yeah, I think he's just real small. Yeah, very small. Now look, again, is that jig not bigger than he is? All right, getting them fellas. Minnows. Oh, gotta set the drag. Oh, he came off. We got him. We got him. Minnows. Drum. A little old drum. Hey, notice almost all the fish I catch are about the same size. Eating size. Nice little panfish looking drum there. Setting it dry. Because he's gonna get a second wind and he's gonna eventually work that. The reason I work this jig is because although it is a jig, by definition, the hook is in fact separate from the nice little channel looks like. The hook is in fact separate from the jig, so he can't use the whole thing as leverage. All right. Ah, nice little blue. It's a nice blue. Oh, it's a nice blue. Ah, it's fellas. Oh, look at that. He's been rubbing on something. Look at there. Red and yellow. ½ ounce. I'm gonna put these on the website by the time this video launches. I've got a whole set of them. All you gotta do is order them. They're in stock. All I gotta do is rig them and send them out to you. You don't have to wait very long. ½ ounce, red and white, single with stripes. We caught this nice channel catfish. I mean, this nice blue. This is a blue.